All right, hi guys. How you guys doing today? So I'm gonna show you how you can make natural antacid for your heartburn symptoms. So first of all, we need a milk here. But here's one thing I want to tell you is this has to be skim milk or non-fat milk, or at least low-fat milk. And also make sure you have a really cold milk. Okay. All right, and also this is banana here. Okay, so I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those two in the blender and I'm gonna blend it together. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, here you go. So it's all blended now. So let's pour them. Okay, once again, you need to have milk with a very low fat, non-fat or low fat milk, and just mix with that banana and blend it here. You could also add some vanilla extract, just a little bit, or some cinnamon powder, just for making a bit more flavor. But let me just try this real quick, okay? Actually tastes already good over there, so it seems pretty good. So this will be pretty good drink for sort of alleviating your symptoms of the heartburn. Okay, all right, thank you, bye bye.